Chapter 14, Transport. Transport means carrying people or goods from one place to another. It helps us travel quickly and makes our daily life easier. Good morning, children. Today, we are going to learn something that we all use every day. Transport. Yes, transport means moving people or things from one place to another. Think about it. How did you come to school today? Some of you walked, some came by bicycle, others by bus or rickshaw. All these are means of transport. Different types of transport. Let's look at the main types of transport. Walking and cycling. These are the simplest and cleanest ways to travel. They don't cause any pollution and are good for health, but they are not suitable for long distances. Road transport, cars, scooters, buses, trucks. These are very common. They can go almost anywhere on roads, highways, villages, and cities. But they use fuels like petrol and diesel, which cause air pollution. Railways, trains. Trains carry many passengers and goods across cities and states. They are cheaper and less polluting than many cars. Water transport, boats and ships, used to carry goods and people through rivers, seas, and oceans. It is the cheapest way to send heavy goods across countries. Air transport, aeroplanes. This is the fastest way to travel, but also the most expensive. Planes are used to go to far off places, even other countries. Problems caused by too much transport. Now, transport is helpful, but it also brings problems. Air pollution. The smoke from vehicles contains dirty gases. It can make people sick and pollute the air we breathe. Noise pollution. The sound of honking, engines, and horns causes headaches and stress. Harm to nature. Trees near roads turn pale and dry. Animals in forests run away from roads due to the noise. Traffic jams and accidents. Too many vehicles on the road cause traffic jams. Sometimes they even cause serious accidents. Good things about transport. Let's not forget the good side. It saves our time. It helps in traveling, studying, working, and getting medical help. It brings people and goods from far away places. It connects villages, towns, cities, and countries. Do you know? In today's world, we use cars, ships, and aeroplanes that run on fuel. But long ago, ships did not have engines. Instead, they used large sails that caught the wind and pushed the ship forward. These ships were called sailing ships. People traveled across the world in these sailing ships, using just the power of the wind. What we have learned. We use different means of transport like walking, cycling, motor vehicles, trains, ships, and aeroplanes. These help us save time and effort, but they also pollute the environment and affect our health.